Want to change the filter of your vacuum cleaner? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new filter. Step 1. Remove the old filter. On this vacuum cleaner, the filter is at the back. Open the housing and click the filter loose. You can now take it out. Step 2. Insert the new filter. Place the new filter in place of the old one and click it in place. Close the housing. You have replaced the filter and the vacuum cleaner is ready to use again.